nigga. Oh my god, bro. What do I do? Let's make sure we nothing get. Okay. Okay, we in neutral. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, we in there, my nigga. Golly. Ooh, the clutch gets soft way as it starts. Let me see if I can move that. Okay. Yeah, we moving. We moving, nigga. We moving. Oh shit, I end up pressing the gas instead. Bro, how the fletch? Okay, the brake's starting to get harder. Okay, up there. Okay. It's time to get hot inside this. Let's put first gear. First gear is down there. Ooh, we in there. Let me make sure I can stop. Okay, I can stop. We in there. This big body, big yard. I'm sweating in this piece, man. Oh shit. Why is there Mr. Command Park? But I'm a driver, nigga. I'm that nigga.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Okay, let me see how I'm going to install that. Okay, that's going so happily. So it's supposed to go. Yeah man. First off, let me take out that bad boy. Right here. That dirty man. Feel me though. Okay, look all them screws right there on the floor. That shit was crazy though. Oh my hand. You just gotta listen.
You just gotta listen.
Okay, let me see how I say. Bro, oh, I'm finna pass this. Let's think about this. I think, okay, it have two holes. Only that mounting surface like that, but it can't mount surface like that. So that means these have to go there, this mounting through there, and that mounting there. Yes, the holes there. So I'm supposed to pass this. So no. No?
What is your gender?
My gender? I'm a mechanic.
I'm him.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Actually, I know you see that work. You see that work. Yeah. I did that. Yes. See? That boy. Place right there. I have to maneuver it in. That bad boy coming right there. Shit! Right here. So now I just going to screw down them to 10mm. Oh, shit. Hey, yo. come on, man. Boy. Woo. Let me see what it. Woo. We in there. We in there. Dead ass. Ooh, stop playing my body, cuz. What up? Ooh, stop. Bro, you know me, nigga. You know me. Oh, shit, the brakes not too good, nah. Yo, that nigga. Let's hit the low one there. Brakes not too good, though, why? What I play? I'm ball on that Joe, though. Mr. Steel, there, why? I go pose it there in the little shade and do my thing. I'm getting hot and sweaty in this piece. Okay, all I need to do is put the panel and that's about it. But oh shit. Let me go and see where I find the panel. The whole time. That on top of the car there, and I didn't see that now the whole time. Okay, let's try and put that bad boy. Okay, let's put that bad boy down there. Let's open up that bad boy. Okay, speedy run that. Oh, rest that bad boy down there. Take that back. Oh shit, let me stick that back up. Stick it up your ass. That bad boy through there. No. I think that have to go on that. This bad boy have to go on there. Go on there. Right here. Man, I just don't put it in. It's getting me trouble. I just rest it there. I'm a genius.
No.
I'm a genius.
No.
Hold up, I have to take it back out again. I have to take it back out. Oh, I'm struggling with this thing, man. Okay, I tried that thing, right? I tried to look at something. So it's on there. I hope it doesn't fall out. Okay, can't go wrong now. Yes. Yes, finally figure it out. That black thing was just a pain in the butt. But you know what? Anything in life, man, you just don't give up. You try. You gotta try. When you try, you will succeed. If you don't try, you will not get nowhere, man. So I tried, and boom, this what happened. I figured it out. Yep, because I'm that nigga.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
2 screws there and there. Okay, last but not least. Okay, actually it have 2 more things, 2 more pieces to the puzzle. Last but not least, this bad boy. Actually, last and least.
Can you shut the fuck?
2 screws. All right. This bad boy now. You just gotta play with it sometimes, you dig?
What do you mean by that?
Wait, what is the fans really on? Because the fan is on, but I not feeling shit. Oh, I'm really him. I'm that nigga you are. I'm really that nigga. I put back everything. Hear that? Now let's go and drive that freaking truck. Oh shit, let me readjust. Yes! Oh shit, that is oh shit! I just still on the dummies. Dímelo. Ooh, we in there. Let me see if I can back up a truck. Okay. Reverse. Ooh, watch your mirrors, cuz. Watch your mirrors, cuz. Stop playing. All that playing though. Oh, okay. First gear. Second. We in there.